Hi, Hissy. This is Hissy Fit. Hi, Hissy. And here's all her kittens. They're very sweet. I finally caught all four. The one that's kind of rummaging around in the box going backwards, that's the one that I just caught. It's not quite used to everything yet. So there's 3 gray ones and 1 yellow one that's already taken over the box. And his name is Frick. Hi. That's Hissy calling to him. Yeah. They hear their mom. I'll probably let her out to be free probably on Tuesday, because she had her surgery on Thursday, and she's looking a lot better. Yeah, is that your mom? Huh? Good night, kittens. Good night, kittens. Good night, Moon. Yeah, he says, why am I in a big cage? I didn't want to be here. Yeah. I'm going to turn out the light now and let him go to night-night. Sleep tight, kittens. Sleep tight, Hissy Fit.